comprehension. A. Answer these questions. 1. Why did Feluda and Tapesh travel to Ghurghutiya? Answer. Feluda and Tapshe traveled to Ghurghutiya on a special request by a letter from Kalikinkar Majumdar, an elderly man who lived there. He requested them to visit him and his letter made Feluda curious. 2. Why was Feluda so excited to see the books? Answer. Feluda was excited to see the books because they were extremely rare and related to his profession. 3. What was different about the chest? Describe it. Answer. The chest seemed different than most. It had a combination lock, a knob, with numbers written around it. The chest opened only if the knob was moved to rest against some specific numbers. 4. What did the parrot say? Why had it been taught those words? Answer. The parrot said, "Shut the door, oh big fat hen." It had been taught those words in order to remind the owner of the secret code to open the combination lock of his chest. 5. What was the reward that Mr. Majumdar promised? Answer. The reward Mr. Majumdar promised to give Feluda a whole set of books by Gabarai. 6. What was the rhyme with numbers? How did it help Feluda crack the code? Answer. The rhyme with numbers was this: 1, 2, buckle my shoe. 3, 4, shut the door. 5, 6, pick up sticks. 7, 8, open the gate. 9, 10, a big fat hen. 11, 12, dig and delve. It helped Feluda to crack the code for the combination lock. The parrot said, "Shut the door, oh big fat hen." It meant the number code 340910. The rhyme taught to the bird just had the second parts of the two lines 3, 4, shut the door, and 9, 10, a big fat hen. The O in the middle implied the digit 0. C. Think and answer. 1. Describe the setting of the house, the location, the room, the old man and his parrot. How does it help set the mood for the story? Suggested answers accept any logical answer. The house of Mr. Kalikinkar Majumdar was an old mansion in a village named Ghurghutiya. His room was large, stuffed with furniture, nearly half of it being taken up by a massive bed. He had an unusual chest, one with a combination lock. Despite being an old and ailing man, his intellect and sharp intelligence are evident. He trained his parrot to repeat the coded rhyme as a reminder. His collection of rare books shows how well read he was in criminology, and his promise to reward Feluda with a whole set of Gabarai implies that he was perhaps well versed with detective fiction as well. The letter from Mr. Majumdar. An old mansion in a village. A locker with a combination lock. A parrot with a coded riddle. And the presence of a detective all add up to create the perfect mood for a mystery story. 2. All I can say is that what you just heard was a code, and it has to do with that locked chest over there. You have 12 hours to work it out. How does this line make readers curious? Answer. The line was spoken by Mr. Majumdar. This line makes the reader curious because, by announcing the secret code to the readers and specifying the time limit within which Feluda is supposed to find out the answer, the narrator manages to create an atmosphere of suspense. There is also an element of the unknown that makes the readers uncertain about the ending of the story. A good mystery writer makes use of the element of suspense to make the readers curious. The author gives just enough hints for the reader to smell the mystery, but the solution is not given immediately. It is kept on hold till the end to keep the reader's interest. Coded messages or riddles to be decoded are popular methods used by mystery writers. Locked chests with unknown contents also make us curious. But the most important feature that maintains the reader's curiosity is how the mystery unravels, that is, the narrative technique.